How I learned digital marketing if I started again in 2025. If I had to start from zero in digital marketing, this is exactly how I do it. Hi, let's be honest, most people who try to get noticed online in digital marketing are usually overwhelmed, burnt out, and still not seeing results. You spend hours creating content that no one engages with, chasing trends they don't fully understand, and wondering if they're just wasting their time. I've been there too. I'm Vlad Sapozhnykov, a marketer and the founder of the international marketing agency at Unix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would learn digital marketing from scratch in 2025. You will learn practical steps I take today based on our indicate in marketing and real insights from running a market research agency. And let's start our journey from the first and crucial step. I would start from the learning foundations. Think of digital marketing like learning to drive. You don't start by racing Ferraris, you start by understanding how the pedals work, how to read the road, and why the rules exist. First, start by mastering the basics. Platforms like HubSpot Academy hold more value than most paid courses out there. They are free, beginner-friendly, and actually teach you the essentials without trying to sell you something every 5 minutes. Add to your list of helping resources someone like Neil Patel or Alex Hormozi to train your business brain, because this isn't just about clicks, it's about strategy. Second, understand that tools won't always save you. People buy with emotion, justify with logic. That's something I learned early on running a market research agency. If you don't get into the head of your buyer and understand what triggers action, you will always be guessing. Third, skip the surface level noise and focus on real-world case studies. Watch how businesses actually grow, where they fail, and what they learn. Theory is nice, but results live in reality. Don't just learn what to do, learn what to avoid. That alone will save you months of trial and error. The next step, define your business goals. If you don't know what you are aiming for, you will be busy but not productive, and that's a dangerous trap. You need to realize that digital marketing isn't a magic trick, it's a tool. And like any tool, it's useless if you don't know what you are trying to build. I always tell clients at my market research agency, you cannot optimize what you haven't defined. Start by choosing clear goals. Do you want to grow your personal brand or boost awareness, generate leads, make fast sales, or maybe launch a new product? Each of these paths needs a different strategy. Try to chase all of them at once, and you will end up making noise instead of progress. Think of your marketing like a GPS. If you don't enter a destination, all you are doing is burning fuel while driving in circles. Clarity is power. Once your goal is locked in, the right channels, content, and tactics become obvious. But without it, you are just guessing, and guessing is expensive. Your true business goals often live in that first spark, the reason you wanted to start your business in the first place. Was it to build financial freedom? To share something meaningful with the world? To solve a problem no one else could? Go back to the moment. Because when your goals are aligned with that original drive, whether it's revenue, recognition, or real impact, your strategy becomes clearer and your motivation stays strong. Don't just choose a goal because it sounds good. Choose the one that feels real. That's the one worth building around. Then the third step, understand exactly who you're aiming for. Because if you are talking to everyone, you are convincing no one. Back when I was just getting started, I made this mistake too. creating offers and content based on what I thought people wanted. But as I built my market research agency, I realized that real marketing starts when you get obsessed with your audience. Use surveys, dig into reviews, listen to how people describe their problems. Practical tip? Jump into niche forums, Reddit threads, or even Amazon product reviews. They are full of unfiltered pain points. Once you truly understand who you are serving, your message starts connecting exactly the way it should. And that's when digital marketing stops feeling like a struggle and starts working like a system. Start by creating a quick survey with Google Forms, asking simple but powerful questions like "What's your biggest struggle right now?" or "What's one thing you wish you could fix?" in the good or service you specialize in, and post it everywhere you can on your social media so more people will engage and help you. Then dig deeper by exploring forums and communities where your audience spends time, Reddit or even Facebook groups. Look for posts with a lot of comments and reactions. These reveal real pain points and desires of the audience that suits you. When you connect these dots, you will uncover relatable words and problems your audience has. This is pure gold for writing headlines, creating offers, and making your marketing hit home. Don't just watch. Go do this now. It's the kind of homework that turns confusion into clarity and guesswork into consistent results. Master 1. Channel first. The next step, you need to master only one channel in the beginning. In digital marketing, trying to be everywhere at once is the fastest way to burn out and get lost in the noise. Instead, pick one platform that fits your audience and business goals and own it before moving on. From running my agency, I've seen businesses waste months overloading themselves by multiple channels without any clear results. When committing to a single platform would have made all the difference. Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or email marketing, your first step is to understand where your ideal customers spend their time and focus your efforts there. Mastery over one channel creates momentum, confidence, and real data you can use to scale smarter, not harder. For instance, I created my own marketing course, and when I came time to promote it, I didn't try to be everywhere at once. I choose Instagram as my main platform because that's where my audience hangs out, and there I can show up with the most consistency. It made more sense than trying to be everywhere at once. By focusing on just one channel, I was able to test content faster and actually connect with people without the burnout. Do you want to get access to even more helpful videos that will take your business to the next level? Like this video, write comments, and subscribe to my channel. How to create compelling content, text, images, videos that resonates with your audience. The fifth step, what I would do if I needed to start from the zero, is to learn content creation basics. Creation content that actually connects isn't about fancy tools or viral trends. It's about understanding what your audience cares about and delivering it in a way that grabs attention. Whether it's writing posts, designing images, or making videos, your goal is to spark curiosity, solve a problem, or bring emotion. The key is to use the language and pain points your audience shares, and keep your message simple and authentic. Start by mastering one format, maybe writing sharp captions or shooting short videos, and get consistent. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about connection. When your content speaks directly to real needs, the results follow naturally. I knew an entrepreneur who had every social media platform: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. We were having lunch one day, talking about business, and what really impressed me was that he knew how to create content himself. not just the big picture. He actually understood the basics, like how to film, edit, and write posts. That meant if his team ever left, he wouldn't be stuck. He could step in and keep things running. This is a great example. Yes, you can delegate, but as a founder, you should still know how things work. When you understand the basics, you stay in control of your business. The sixth point is get hands-on with analytics. If you are not keeping track on what's working, it's like throwing darts with your eyes closed. Start by setting up Google Analytics 4. It's free and essential for understanding how people interact with your website. Learn to focus on key numbers like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and return on spend, ROAS. This shows you what's actually driven results, not just empty numbers. Don't stop there. Every platform has its own analytics tools. Instagram Insights, Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads Dashboard, and their secret weapons for understanding your audience's behavior. From my experience, diving into data might seem overwhelming at first, but it's the best way to stop guessing and start optimizing. For a structured approach, take Google's free Analytics Academy course or check out simple YouTube tutorials on GA4. Get comfortable with your numbers and watch your marketing grow smarter every day. Next step, experiment constantly and scale with experience. The magic happens when you treat your campaigns like a science experiment. Test different ideas, measure what works, then tweak and improve. It's crucial that you as a business founder will take part in it as well. Marketing's a lot like gardening. You try different seeds, ideas, track which ones take root, metrics, and stop wasting water on what's not growing and in the end nurture the strongest plants to grow. I've learned that no campaign is perfect out of the gate. This cycle of testing, learning, and scaling is what separates guesswork from real growth. So get comfortable with failure. It's just feedback in disguise. As a business founder, your biggest edge is speed. How fast you notice, change, and adapt it with your team. Digital marketing moves fast. What worked 6 months ago might flop today. That's why staying current isn't optional, it's survival. Think of it like surfing. You cannot control the waves, but if you keep your eyes open, you can catch the right one before everyone else does, and find the marketing expert that will help you to boost your business. I personally can offer you up to 5 hours of consultancy each week to help you improve your marketing efforts and grow more effectively. Services include ICP reviews, evaluation of sales and marketing assets, pitch decks, websites, go-to-market plans, creative brainstorming for growth strategies, and more tailored to your needs. Let's solve your specific marketing challenges and make sure you are moving in the right direction. Visit @lunix.com and book your tailored consulting package today. So if I had to start again in 2025, this is exactly how I do it, step by step, without drawing in distractions or hype. I've spent over 10 years in marketing, and running a marketing agency taught me something powerful. The tactics change, but the fundamentals stay the same. It always comes down to understanding people, solving real problems, and communicating with clarity. If you are just starting out or feeling stuck, I want you to know this: every expert you follow was once a beginner too. The difference is they didn't quit when it got messy. You don't have to be perfect, you just need to have a goal. Pick the first step from this video and apply it today, because progress doesn't start with knowing, it starts with doing. And if you want to know more about AI in business, watch my previous video on the channel. What is AI in business? 5 tools every entrepreneur should know, which will appear in the center of the screen. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.